Good morning, everyone. This week, before we begin, the market is anticipating a decision on interest rates, with most expecting the Fed will hold rates steady in June. Late last week, markets saw a significant drop following Israel's airstrike on Iran. Trump stated that the US will continue to support the defense, but it was reported that he did not confirm whether the US has asked Israel to halt the attacks on Iran. During times of major geopolitical events like this, it's important to follow these signals closely. Let's check Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, we saw an L signal 2 hours ago, but since then the price has dropped below the Goya line, and we can see that there is a changed signal of S2. And if the signal flips back and forth between L and S, it's often a sign of sideways market. And in these conditions, it's best to still follow these signals, but with tight take profit and stop loss levels clearly set in advance. Now let's look at XRP. Similar situation here. It also had an L signal, but in the current hour, the price moved below the Goya line. For Solana, on the other hand, here it's holding an L2 signal and the price remains above the Goya line. If we look at the combined score charts for major coins, we can see that for most of them, the blue big data line is above the red line, suggesting there may be some room for short-term rebound today.